Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a product called Memopezil and asking a very important question. Is Memopezil legit, or is it just another supplement surrounded by hype? If you've come across this name while searching for ways to improve memory, focus, or overall brain health, you're definitely not alone. Memopezil is marketed as a dietary supplement designed to support brain health, memory, and concentration. It's aimed at adults who want better mental clarity and focus, and it claims to use a blend of natural ingredients like Bacopa monnieri, Panax ginseng, Rhodiola rosea, L-theanine, and honey. On the surface, it sounds like a gentle, natural approach to boosting brain performance, which is exactly why it attracts so much attention. Before we continue, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. Now let's talk about the red flags. One of the biggest concerns with Memopezil is the way it markets its benefits. The promotional material strongly suggests that it can help people who forget the names of close family members, fail to recognize themselves, or struggle with basic daily tasks. These are symptoms typically associated with moderate to severe dementia or Alzheimer's disease. There is no credible scientific evidence that the ingredients in Memopezil can reverse or restore lost cognitive function at this level. Supplements may support general wellness, but claiming results like recognizing yourself in the mirror or getting your identity back creates false medical hope, especially for serious neurodegenerative conditions. Another issue is the way Memopezil is described as clinically designed or scientifically developed without providing any actual clinical trials or peer-reviewed studies done on the finished product itself. Listing general research about individual ingredients is not the same as proving that the supplement, as a formula, works. If a product truly delivered dramatic memory restoration, proper clinical trials would be front and center. There's also the heavy use of FDA, GMP, and GMO-free logos. These symbols can look reassuring, but they don't mean the product is approved to treat memory loss or cognitive decline. In fact, the standard FDA disclaimer admits the supplement is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease, which directly clashes with the strong dementia-related claims used in the marketing. When you look at the ingredients themselves, they are common herbal and nutritional compounds that may offer mild benefits like stress reduction or general mental support. However, none of them are scientifically proven to reverse memory loss or treat conditions like Alzheimer's. Presenting them as capable of dramatic brain recovery is a major exaggeration. It's also worth noting that many adults over 50 take brain supplements hoping for sharper memory and focus, yet there's still no solid proof that over-the-counter brain supplements actually deliver those results. On top of that, supplements are not strictly regulated, meaning ingredient accuracy and effectiveness aren't thoroughly verified before hitting the market. So what's the final verdict? Memopezil may not be a 100% outright scam, but it does raise serious concerns due to unrealistic claims, lack of clinical evidence, and misleading marketing. If you're considering it, caution is strongly advised. Always consult a qualified medical professional, especially when it comes to serious cognitive or neurological issues. Stay informed, stay skeptical, and I'll see you in the next video.